Welcome back to Remote Life with Jack. Today, we're checking out realistic remote customer service jobs that are hiring right now. These roles are perfect for beginners and experienced professionals, so be sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any great opportunities. Our first role is coming from Brightline as a member support specialist. This is a full-time remote position. The shift is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, what you would do in this role, you will help new members get started with Brightline services. You will schedule appointments and answer member questions, as well as assist with billing, insurance, eligibility claims, and payments. You will complete administrative tasks and maintain accurate records. And you will also support providers and deliver an outstanding member experience. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see strong customer service and communication skills, and also they would like to see medical office or insurance billing experience is a plus, but it is not required. For this role, the pay does start at $21, ending at $25, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great opportunity for customer service professionals who enjoy helping others and want to work in the behavioral health care field. So if you're interested in the member support specialist with Brightline, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Independence Pet Holding as a customer service representative. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role, you will handle about 70 to 90 inbound customer calls daily. You will respond to customer emails and policy questions, as well as assist with claims, policy changes, and coverage information. You will also support other departments with policy updates. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, customer service experience, strong communication and problem-solving skills, and be able to handle high call volumes and challenging customer interactions. For this role, the shift is Monday through Friday, 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m., and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Training will last for 6 weeks, and the training time will be confirmed prior to the hired class starting. So this is a great fit for customer service professionals who enjoy helping others in a fast-paced environment. So if you are interested in the customer service representative with Independence Pet Holding, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from LabCorp as a customer support services representative. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. The work schedule is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So what you will do in this role, you will answer inbound and outbound customer calls. You will assist patients and clients with account questions and test results. You will process customer requests and maintain accurate records, as well as research issues across multiple systems. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED and 3 months or more of customer service experience. For this role, the pay does start at $18, ending at $24, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is an excellent entry-level remote healthcare customer service role with daytime, weekday hours. So if you're interested in the customer support services representative with LabCorp, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from the Signal Group as a customer service associate representative. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. Training will be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for 5 weeks. Once you've completed training, you will be required to work between 8 a.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Majority of the schedules will be 12:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So what you would do in this role, you will handle about 50 to 80 inbound and outbound calls daily. You will educate patients on radiology services and treatment options. You will help members find in-network facilities and coordinate appointments, as well as research cases using multiple computer systems. And you will de-escalate concerns and provide compassionate customer support. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. Customer service or call center experience is preferred. Strong communication and multitasking skills, and you must be comfortable working across multiple systems. For this role, the pay does start at $17, ending at $19, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great opportunity for customer service professionals who enjoy educating and helping others. So if you're interested in the customer service associate representative with the Signal Group, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from MetLife as a customer care advocate. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role, you will assist customers with insurance, billing, policy, and benefit questions, as well as resolve complex customer issues by phone and digital channels. You will also use AI-powered tools to support customer interactions and documentation, as well as maintain accurate records and protect customer information. You will also escalate issues when needed and collaborate with internal teams. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, at least 1 year of customer service experience, strong communication and problem-solving skills, and you must be comfortable using multiple computer systems. For this role, the pay does start at $41,000 per year, which all depends on your location and experience, but I do believe that that is the set amount, $41,000 per year, so that is great. So this is an excellent entry-level opportunity with MetLife for anyone with customer service experience. So if you are interested in the customer care advocate, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from AdaptHealth as an intake specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you would do in this role is process patient referrals and review medical documentation. You will verify insurance eligibility and payer requirements, as well as communicate with patients about financial responsibility and collect payments. You will also coordinate with providers, referral sources, and internal teams, and also maintain accurate records and manage referrals using electronic systems. You must have a high school diploma or GED, at least 1 year of related work experience. They would like to see customer service, administrative, billing, insurance, or customer service experience is preferred, and strong communication and multitasking skills. So this is a great opportunity for customer service or administrative professionals looking to break into healthcare. This is a lot of back-end work, so if you are looking for that back-end work, low phones, this is a great role, and the link will be in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for today's job leads. If one of these roles fit what you have been looking for, don't sit on it. Remote jobs like this move fast, and the best ones get filled quickly. Tap in, apply smart, and I will catch you in the next video drop. Thank you for watching.